bold move into AI and high-performance computing, the General Reserve has issued a cease and desist order against United Texas Bank in Dallas, and California Attorney General has announced a $3.9 million settlement for Robinhood Crypto. This and so much more in today's episode of Token Insightly. Hey yo crypto enjoyers, welcome to Token Insightly, the #1 news source in the Web3 world. Before we jump into today's episode, we want to remind you that you can check our new website tokeninsightly.com if you want to stay ahead of the curve. I know you guys love me, but if you're having a busy day and you can't wait for our video, tokeninsightly.com is the place to go. There is a twist though. Don't take neither our website or our videos for financial advice. They're having purely informational purposes. Always do your own research or consult with a professional before investing. Now let's see if something can surprise us today. The global cryptocurrency market is showing some mixed signals today. According to CoinGecko, the total market cap currently sits at 2.08 trillion with a 0.8 decrease in the last 24 hours. The king of crypto is currently sitting at 56,600 with a 0.1 increase in the past 24 hours. Ethereum, on the other hand, is feeling the market pressure a bit more than Bitcoin. It is trading around 2,400 with a 0.6% decrease in the past 24 hours. But the real action, as always, is happening in the altcoin space. Let's check out the Crypto Bubbles chart. Helium is leading the charge with a 9.1% increase in the past 24 hours. Injective is also showing strong performance with a 5.9% increase. But this isn't just a random market movement. There is a big story behind this surge. Injective has launched the first ever tokenized index for BlackRock's Build Fund, making a significant milestone in bridging traditional finance with the crypto world. This innovative move offers lower fees, faster transaction speed, and increased accessibility, potentially accelerating institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies and DeFi products while paving the way for more hybrid financial products in the future. But we're not done yet. Have you guys seen what is happening with NEIRO? The dog coin is up more than 200% for the past 24 hours. It's like watching a rocket take off. And speaking of rockets, VISTA is giving us some serious flashbacks of the early days of some pretty successful projects. The project is up more than 50% for the past 24 hours. Could it be the next big thing? Only time will tell, but it's definitely one to watch. Now let's address the frog in the room. FWOG is making waves on Solana, and some are calling it the next Pepe of the Solana ecosystem. Is it just another meme coin, or there is more to it? I mean, who would have thought we'd be seriously discussing the investment potential of a digital frog? Now let's shine a spotlight on a project that's been catching my eye lately. Have you guys heard of EigenLayer? They're doing some pretty interesting stuff with restaking, and they have just announced their Season 2 Stakedrop. If you're into maximizing your yield potential, this might be worth looking into. Just remember, higher rewards often come with higher risks, so tread carefully. Talking about EigenLayer, it's been quite busy for them these days. They have also announced an EigenPod upgrade on the EigenLayer protocol featuring a novel balanced checkpointing system designed to make native Ethereum restaking easier and more rewarding for the users. This significant update aims to enhance accessibility and rewards in Ethereum restaking, potentially driving increased participation and liquidity in the Ethereum ecosystem. It is also representing a broader trend towards more user-friendly and efficient DeFi protocols. Crypto enthusiasts, heads up! While this news isn't directly about blockchain or cryptocurrencies, it's a game changer for the tech world that could have ripple effect on our space. OpenAI co-founder Ilya Sutskever's new AI safety startup SSI just backed a cool $1 billion in funding, signaling a massive shift towards prioritizing responsible AI development. Bitcoin miners are making a bold move into AI and high-performance computing, leveraging their energy infrastructure to tap into potentially massive new revenue stream. This pivot could be a game changer for the industry, potentially doubling miners' market cap by 2028 and creating significant value for investors who can recognize this arbitrage opportunity earlier. Grass Protocol has unveiled a groundbreaking blockchain data network aimed at revolutionizing Web3 infrastructure by enhancing data sovereignty, scalability, and decentralized internet access. Puffpaw has secured $6 million in seed funding for its groundbreaking vape to quit smoking and earn model built on the Berachain platform, merging blockchain technology with smoking cessation efforts. This innovative approach could potentially disrupt both the vaping industry and the crypto ecosystem by introducing financial incentives for quitting smoking, potentially driving wider adoption of blockchain-based health solutions. The stablecoin market is experiencing significant growth and evolution, with established players like USDT, USDC, and DAI maintaining dominance, while newcomers such as PYUSD and BitUI introduce fresh competition. This expansion is reshaping the crypto landscape, driving key market movements, and facilitating deeper integration between traditional finance and the digital asset space. The rising prominence of stablecoin could potentially accelerate mainstream crypto adoption and fuel innovation in DeFi. Unfortunately, it also brings increased regulatory scrutiny and the challenge of balancing stability with decentralization. The Fed just dropped the hammer on United Texas Bank in Dallas, potentially due to its crypto-friendly practices. This move is stirring up fears of Operation Choke Point 2.0, which could spell trouble for crypto businesses trying to access traditional banking services. While this might lead to increased caution and scrutiny in the banking sector, it also highlights the urgent need for clearer regulations and better dialogue between crypto innovators and financial watchdogs to keep the digital asset revolution rolling. California's Attorney General has secured a $3.9 million settlement with Robinhood Crypto for violating state consumer protection laws, marking the first public action by the Department of Justice against a crypto company. This landmark case signals a new era of regulatory scrutiny for digital asset platforms, potentially reshaping industry practices around asset custody, withdrawal policies, and trading disclosures. Monochrome Asset Management, one of Australia's leading investment managers, has sent an application to list an Ethereum ETF on Cboe Australia, marks a potential game changer for the crypto investments in the country. This development could provide retail investors with a regulated, simplified avenue to gain Ethereum exposure through traditional brokerage accounts, potentially driving increased adoption and institutional participation in the crypto market. And if you follow our website, you will see that earlier today we dropped a bombshell article about AAVE. AAVE has solidified its dominance in the DeFi lending market, boasting a 64% market share, 4.6 times more active loans than its closest competitor, and a TVL 6.3 times higher than the top two Solana lending apps combined. Despite that, AAVE's growing prominence may also attract increased regulatory scrutiny, presenting challenges for the platform and potentially influencing the broader DeFi regulatory environment. In order to stay up to date in the fast-moving crypto world, make sure to regularly check our website, tokenized.com. We're constantly updating the latest news, analysis, and insights that could impact your investment decisions.